Welcome to Currently Caffeinating. Today is Saturday, May 31st, 2025. Today I will be going to an estate sale. I've never been to one before. My sister told me about it. I think it's a 3-day event. Today is the last day for it. It's from 9 to 5. So I thought I'd stop by and check it out. I'm not sure if they'll have anything good left, but who knows? I was able to find some cool items at the antique store, like this patio table. So I'm hoping to find some cool items at the estate sale. So join me if you will. It's good to have you here. Let's get caffeinated. Will you? Made it to the estate sale. Alright, this is located on Skinner Road in Richmond, Texas. Looks like I'm out in the woods here. Yeah, like I said, this is my first time to come to an estate sale, so I'm not really sure what to expect. Got some soil.
That's a trailer. How about we pull Isabel and Travis in?
Got some boats. Shopping cart. Pool table. Some chairs, lawnmowers,
Thank you. Yeah, 4600.
They got more stuff than I thought. They got some old tractors over here. John Deere 700. I thought these ducks were real at first. Got this barbecue pit, 3,000. Lone Star Boat and Trailer, 500. There you go. Get you a pontoon boat. No trailer, 500. Be cool to have one of those, but looks like this one needs a lot of work. Do got quite a few boats over here. There was a guy that walked behind me earlier and he said, what's your name? I told him and he said, are you a probation officer? And I said, no. And he said, you look like my probation officer from 20 years ago. I said, well, no, that's not me. Well, that's a big bird cage. It's a roller for 1,000. Some iron gates for 200. It is pretty nice back here. I like these palm trees. But yeah, they got a lot more stuff inside. Oh, they got the foosball table. Some dressers over here. That's pretty cool. $400. There's some books here. Truck handbook. Wow, they got a Sears Robot Catalog, 1902 edition. Wow. Some more dressers over here. It's a nice table. Shovel. That's nice. This is cool. Bank. Campbell's soup. Mercedes-Benz Jaguar 1996 Corvette. A Ferrari. Got some owls over here. They even got stuff upstairs. Oh, they even got some records, $3 each. I'm gonna have to check these out. Oh, they got some cool knickknacks over here. They must really like owls. Oh, here we go. Bubba's Place. $250. That's a cool looking clock. Oh, this is cool. $300 for that. Country Charm. That's a cool picture of these horses. It changes when you walk by it. It's a big clock over here. Some bar stools over here. Alright, let's check upstairs. Whoa, look at this old cash register. Oh, that's pretty neat. I don't know if there's any treasures inside of these. Oh, there's another floor. Wonder who this guy's supposed to be. I know that's right. You got these old cola bottles.
Down there was a bunch of nut caps, big old things, red, orange. Y'all ready to make a yellow, all of them? Orange, yellow, red, green, the ones I use. And y'all got them all. Hey, I said, if y'all want to make a yellow all, I'll take them all. Yes, ma'am. That's going to be, we're doing this again next Thursday.
These are pretty cool. I like these Indians down here. These look pretty cool. I like these. I like these plates. They got the honeymooners with Jackie Gleason. Teach a man to fish and he'll play with his fly all day. Yeah, they got quite a bit of stuff over here. I like this table over here. And it's pretty cool. I don't know if it's a big plate or just a picture hanging on the wall. And also this old radio. Ah, look at this cool doghouse. It's sold. I think Rainbow would love that. That's pretty neat. Got a window on the side. Oh, I like this. It's Dr. Pepper. Coca-Cola. Got some fish and tackle. They got a lot of chairs. Got some fishing poles. Some pictures. I did see a sign that says they do take credit cards and cash. No humans allowed. Wow, they got a lot of extension cords. There's the prices on their towels, clothes. Oh, get some roller skates, do some roller derby. Bite me.
Only a few will survive the mission, but for those brave enough to try, the reward is legendary. Can you complete the mission? Oregon 1, Houston, Texas. One mission, one shot. It's all part of your goal after summer. Bring it to you for legendary discovery. This summer's not.
I did end up getting a few things. I'll show them when I get back to the apartment. Well, I just made it home. I got me this Tom Jones record. I like to get random records. I like all kinds of music. But what interested me on this one is there's a song on here. It says, "Come to Me," theme from the Pink Panther Strikes Again movie. So, yeah, I can't wait to listen to this. And the two other things I got, the lady gave me these bags to put them in, were these plates from the Honeymooners. Jackie Gleason, I thought it was pretty cool. Now we can watch Jackie Gleason while we eat. Well, just kidding. I'll probably just put it on the shelf or something. But I saw on the back, it says, the Hamilton Collection presents Baby, You're the Greatest from the official Honeymooners plate collection, and it's approved by Jackie Gleason. Limited to 14 firing days, plate number 27535. So that's cool that it was approved by Jackie Gleason himself. And this one is the Hucklebuck. Limited to 14 firing days, plate number 2959C. So yeah, I thought those were pretty cool. Yeah, they had a lot of different farm equipment there, things that I don't really need, but Yeah, there was a lot more stuff there than I thought they would have. Well, the record looks like it's in good shape. Put it on the old record player here. All right, well, that's going to do it for my video for today. As always, thank you for watching. Be safe, be kind, and stay caffeinated.